Unveiling the meaning behind hip to hip. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the home of engaging English learning. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning and usage of the phrase hip to hip. Whether you're here to polish your English skills or you're just curious about this catchy phrase, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the fascinating world of English expressions together. The phrase, hip to hip, is an English idiom that describes two or more people standing or moving very close to each other, with their hips in close proximity. Imagine being at a concert and standing shoulder to shoulder, or in this case, hip to hip, with other fans. It's that closeness and sense of being packed together that this phrase captures perfectly. While the exact origins of hip to hip are not well documented, it's easy to visualize the literal meaning. The phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. In a literal sense, it might refer to dancers or athletes moving in sync with one another. Figuratively, it could symbolize a close bond or partnership between people, suggesting they are united in purpose or action. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. The finalists stood hip to hip, awaiting the judge's decision with bated breath. In the crowded elevator, we were almost hip to hip, uncomfortably aware of the limited space. The team worked hip to hip to complete the project before the deadline, their cooperation seamless. By using hip to hip in different contexts, we can see how versatile this expression can be. When you're learning English, knowing when and how to use idiomatic expressions can really elevate your fluency. You can use hip to hip in casual conversation, especially when you want to emphasize closeness or a sense of partnership. It's less formal, so it's perfect for everyday chats with friends or storytelling. And there you have it, the phrase, hip to hip, demystified. We hope you can now use this expression confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the colorful idioms that give it flavor and character. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out new expressions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and hip to hip with us on your English learning journey.